distance between any two points on the coordinate axis and the distance between any two points of a line parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay. See, this is the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis together can be called as coordinate axis. This is an origin, as usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -1, -2, -3, -4. So on like that. This is an x-axis, x dash, y dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on, -1, sorry, -1, -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on like that. I am taking any two points on the coordinate axis, I mean x-axis and y-axis. I am taking these 2 points. You take this point some P and this is point R. What is the distance between P and R? For that, but we have to find the distance between O to R. OR is 5 units and OP is 2 units. So what is the distance from P to R? PR is equal to OR minus OP, that is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Similarly, I am taking any 2 points on the y-axis. On the y-axis, you take it as x. This is x, and this is z. What is the distance from x to z? First of all, we have to take the distance from O to z. OZ is equal to 6 units and OX is equal to 1 unit. From x to z, xz is equal to OZ minus OX, that is equal to 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5 units. Okay. So from this we can infer that the distance between any 2 points on x-axis, for example, I am taking any 2 points on x-axis, the formula is mod x2 minus x1, x-axis, on x-axis, distance between any 2 points on x-axis, at the same time y-axis. What do you mean by this mod? Suppose if it comes negative, we can convert this into positive. Okay, I'll make it clear by taking one more example, a simple example. I want to find the distance between these 2 points. This is the point, you take it as P, and this is the point, you take it as R. What are the coordinates of this P? -3, 0. And what are the coordinates of R? 5, 0. The distance from P to R, PR is equal to mod x2 minus x1. So take it again as x1, y1, x2, y2. So mod 5 minus of -3, that is equal to mod 5 minus of minus is plus 3, which is equal to mod 8, which is equal to 8. You can simply check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, I am taking another 2 points. For example, okay, I'm just wiping it this, okay, wiping out this. I am to this point. You take it as x and you take it as y. What are the coordinates of x? As 0, -3. What are the coordinates of this point y? 0, 5. So this is x1 y1, x2, y. So xy, the distance from x to y, this point and this point is equal to mod y2 minus y1. What is the value of y2? As usual, 5 minus of minus 3. That becomes 5 plus 3 is equal to mod 8, which is equal to 8. Okay. Is it necessary to take this as x2 and this as x1 and this as y2 and this as y1? Not necessary. Suppose you can take like this also. For example, if you take x1 minus x2 or y1 minus y2. For example, I am taking the same xy. Suppose I am writing y1 minus y2. That doesn't make any difference. For example, if I say, what is y1? Minus 3. Minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 8 after removing the mod becomes plus 8. So it gives the same answer. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the distance of the point, any two points on x-axis is equal to mod x2 minus x1. This is on x-axis and this is on y-axis, mod y2 minus y1. Okay. Now come to the next point. Now the next point is about, I am drawing a line parallel to x-axis. This is a line parallel to x-axis. You take it as A and B. And the coordinates of the point on A are, this is 1, 4, this is 2, 4, this is 3, 4, so on like that. This is minus 1, 4, this is minus 2, 4, so on like that. And this is 4, 4. See, this is 0, 4, sorry, 0, 4. So what did you observe here? Here, the x value differs. X minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What about the y coordinates? Y coordinates are same. Okay. So here also you can take any 2 points like that. I want to take this as some L and this as M. Find the distance from L to M. Say LM. Because LM is parallel to x-axis, the same formula is applicable. So take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula is mod x2 minus x1. Okay. What is x2? 3. x1 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus is plus 2. Mod 5 is equal to 5. You can check once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the distance of any 2 point of a line parallel to x-axis same as the distance between any 2 points on the x-axis, that is mod x2 minus x1. Similarly, the distance between any 2 points of a line parallel to y-axis. Here I am drawing a line parallel to y-axis. Okay. So now write the coordinates. This is 1, this is 4, 1. This is 4, 2. This is 4, 3. This is 4, 4. This is 4, 5. So on. And this is 4, minus 1. 4, minus 2. 4, minus 3. So on with it. I am taking into points. Here I am taking a point. You take it as N. And here I am taking another point. You take it as M. Mn. Distance from M to N. Because this line is parallel to y-axis, the same formula is applicable. What is it? Mod y2 minus y1. mod y2 minus y1. So you take this x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Here what did you observe here? The x value is same, the x coordinate is same, only the y coordinates are differing. Okay, so we can't subtract x coordinates, we have to subtract only the y coordinates. So what is the value of y2 here? Y2 is 4 minus y1 minus 2, minus of minus 2. 4 minus of minus is plus 4 plus 2 so 6, that is equal to 6. Suppose if you take y1 minus y2, okay, suppose, or you will get the same answer. Why? How? y1 is minus 2 minus y1 is 4 minus 2 minus 4 gives minus 6. Mod minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay, why we are keeping mod here? To convert the distance from negative to positive. Suppose if we get a negative value, distance cannot be negative. Suppose if I say my distance from my home to school is some 5 kilometers. Can I say that the distance from my home to school is minus 5 kilometers? It is not possible because negative is not applicable for distance as well as area. So if you get a negative value, to change it into positive, we have to remove this mod. That is why this mod is kept. Okay. So this is the topic, finding the distance between any two points on x-axis and the any two points of a line parallel to x-axis. Okay, and y-axis or the line parallel to y-axis. Okay, hope you understood this video. Okay, in the next section, in the next video, we'll discuss between the distance between any two points of a line on the Cartesian plane. That means on quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. You can draw any line which is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis, and finding the distance between those 2 points. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Keep subscribing to the videos. Thank you.